Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about copying style sheets from one Scrivener project to another in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Style sheets are specific to template documents in Scrivener 3, so when you create a new style, it only exists in that specific project. However, you can copy styles from one project to another, either your own or the special styles in that template. Open the project you want to copy into. Either go to the Format, Style, Import Styles option, or click on the three dots in the Styles panel and select it from there. Find the project folder to copy from on your computer, select it, and you'll get your style copied across without another word, unless there are conflicting styles. This one could actually be quite useful, copying the figure styles into another template. If there are conflicting styles, you'll be asked whether you want to keep existing styles in that project, replace existing styles with the ones from the other project, or add the styles without replacing, which adds a number to the imported style to differentiate it. The latter is the suggested option and definitely makes more sense. You don't want to overwrite something useful by mistake. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.